Hey guys, welcome to the lab. We're back with some exclusive content. Here to give you guys another episode, another unboxing episode. I haven't done these in a little while. You guys do seem to like this kind of content, so I kind of let the things build up a little bit. So, got some clink room hats. Got some hats, Hat Club exclusive from Arizona. Shout out to Felix. And a big ass box from TJ. So, let's do this. Beautiful box. So, take a little screenshot here. All right. What do we got here? First things first, Odell Beckham packed amazingly. Shout out to TJ. Salute to service. Odell Beckham Jr. Stitched. Beautiful piece. I'm on a mini mission to get at least one of every NFL team. So Nick Chubb. Got the NFL 100 patch. Pretty good, pretty good. Weston, my boy, you might like this one. Or maybe not. Stephon Diggs. This guy is a stud. You guys watch the Netflix series Receiver. He was one of the receivers featured on it. And if you watch the Lions play, you'll know he's one of the most elite wide receivers in the game. Got the Amon Ra St. Brown. Detroit. Staying on Detroit. Got the Matt Stafford. There's this guy called, I think, Crook Cards online, and he's always got the craziest jerseys, and they're all up for bid. So sometimes you can come up on a deal. Oh, shout out to Hazor. So I had this thing with the Kings team store. They're having a sale. I guess because my my credit card info didn't match my billing info didn't match my shipping info, so they flagged it. They canceled my order, told me to order it again. So I did, and then they emailed me saying that they no longer had them in stock. So I was really pissed off. But Hazor lives in that area, in the Bay Area, so he ended up going down to the store for me and grabbing some jerseys, and then they ended up shipping my order. So I'm gonna have a lot of Sacramento Kings jerseys, I guess. But it was a good deal, so can't argue. De'Aaron Fox. It's got the. I like getting them from the team store because it's got the ad on them. This is the other one he grabbed for me, the authentic. I don't think this is gonna fit me well. We'll see. Beautiful jersey though. Icon edition. Authentic. I don't pick up too many authentics because they're so expensive, but this one was a good deal. And I think this one is from the store. So I don't know why they emailed me saying they didn't have my stock and they couldn't ship, and I was gonna get a refund. And then they ended up shipping it anyway. So it's a bonus. Like I said, I'm gonna be King's up. This is their like retro throwback. This was a cool little thing here. And then the authentic Sabonis. So I have two Sabonis and two Fox now. Great. This guy, crazy player growing up, watching him play. Once saw him headbutt someone with no helmet. He was not wearing a helmet, and the other guy was wearing a helmet. Insane. Brian Cushing. Jadavian Clowney. Huge. I ordered a bunch of this guy's jersey. Dick's. Shout out to Dick's. And then they canceled them. I don't know if it's because of my Canadian address and they don't ship to Canada. I don't know if they sold them too fast and they couldn't keep up the inventory. But they canceled it, and I came up on this jersey. It was pretty cheap off Crux Sports Cards, so and they're jumping on it. But Saquon, Giants, kind of plain, but what the jersey looks like. So with that pickup. This guy was a beast. He ended up playing in the CFL, then jumping over to NFL, and then eventually landing with the Saints. But Cameron Wake for the Dolphins. It's a cool little emblem there. Nice little jersey. That one's a little older. I wanted the Herbert, but couldn't get it, so I'll have to settle for this one. This guy's still a solid player. I believe he's no longer there, but Keenan Allen. Nice little baby blue. I'm going to wear this to San Diego. Keenan Allen. Oh, I know what this is. TJ was supposed to keep one for himself. I might have to frame this. Probably not the Nice. They wrote a nice little letter. Getting extra stamps. But Chuck Stiles, amazing artist, had a collaboration with the U.S. Postal Service. Oh. Wow. He did a couple stamps. These are beautiful. Hank Aaron stamps. So got 2 sheets. I was gonna give one to TJ. I guess he didn't open the package, so I'm gonna have to give him one after. But they're a little damaged. Fuck. Definitely still gonna frame them. Beautiful. And that's the package from TJ. Have this little sleeper hat. So these shout out to Felix. He's from Chandler, Arizona. He ended up grabbing a couple of the Hat Club Phoenix exclusives. So I'm gonna go through them real quick. So it's like red and pecan color, upside down, Arizona Diamondbacks, pink bottom. This is almost like a Coyotes colorway. Nice shine. No script action. White and blue. And this one's real nice. This is the Ken Griffey. Beautiful hats. Thank you so much, Felix. You're the man. And then last but not least, some clink rooms have arrived. So you know I would be all about the clink room. Got the Red Wing Blackbird. Got Fan for Life for my Rick Clifton. This one glows in the dark. Bok Choy by Phil Hauser. The great Phil Hauser. Blackbird University by Jay Matz. Look at that embroidery on this one. French University by Jason B. Nice little bulldog. I forget the exact name of this, but this is like a Jekyll and Hyde design by Ryan Simmons. Oh, Nowhere to Hide. Yeah, Jekyll and Hyde. Get it? This was Kiaru. This was a collaboration between Phil Hauser and Sawed Off Samurai, Steven Johnson, and a Clink Classics by Full Count Studios. So yeah, that's it. That's my mail call. Let me see if I can get a screenshot of this. Appreciate all y'all for watching. Guys have been great. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Like the video, and see you soon. I'm out of here.